So, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a really cool flower thing on TurtleArt. First of all, you're going to go to My Blocks over here and drag the box that says Store in Box 1. Now, you're going to go to the number section, which is purple, and take one of these that says random at the top. There's two of these. One says one of and one says random. Oh, first I'm going to take this out. And then you can put this in. So in this box, you can put whatever numbers you want to put in here. But for the size of the flower, I'm going to be doing 5 here and 50. Next, you're going to go back to, you're going to go to flow because there is a box that says repeat. And this is essentially just going to repeat the code multiple times so your flower will actually be big. Here, you're going to put 700 because that's how we want the flower to be pretty big. You can make it smaller if you want your flower to be smaller. Now, you're going to pen, and you're going to get set shade. Um, Go to flow, to numbers, which is again the purple one, and take the one under the random one. We'll first take the 50 out. This is the one that says one of at the top. So here, you can again choose any numbers you want, but I'm going to be putting 850 and 80 in here. Now, you can go to Turtle, and you're going to choose this box here that says arc, and place it right under the set shade. It has angle and radius. So for the angle, you're going to put 90 degrees, because what you want is for it to make one shape for one flower petal. Then you're going to turn it 90 degrees and make the other flower petal, essentially. So, this says 90, and here you're going to take out the 100 for the radius, and you're going to get this yellow box here that says box 1. You might recognize this because it says box 1 here, and here you have the thing that says store in box 1. So, now, you, again, will want to turn your turtle so you can make another flower petal. So here, you have right, and you want it to turn 90 degrees, which it already says, fortunately. Now, we want another arc. And it's going to be exactly the same as the previous arc. So it's going to say 90. Oh, oops. 90 here. Here we're going to take out this one, and we're going to get box 1 again. Now, you're going to stay in the My Block section, and you're going to take store in box 1 and place it right under the arc. Here, you're going to take out your purple thing that says 0, and you're going to get a yellow box. And so it'll be, the order right now should be 90, box 1, 90, 90, box 1, box 1. Now, you can go back to numbers, and what you're going to do is take this little bridge thing that has a plus sign, attach it to your last box 1. Take one of these number things, boxes, and I'm going to be doing 4. So now I'm going to double click on store in box so you can see the entire code completed. And this is what you should have right now. It's a very big flower, as you can see. What I'm going to show you just now is, I'll clear it first. And the important part of this code is that everything is connected to everything. So if you take one thing out, the entire look of the flower will change. So I've taken out the +4, and now you can see what happens. The entire code makes literally 4 tiny little petals. So it's so important to have everything. I'll show you again if you take this away and you press arc. Well, first I'll clear it. you see it's larger, but now you have different colors that aren't exactly what you wanted, and it doesn't have the full effect. So I'll just put this back so you can see once again. This is what we want. We want a giant flower. And I'll show you what happens if you change the numbers here. So I'll change it to 4 and maybe 80, and you'll just see the difference in what happens. Oh, wait. Sorry. Not here, but in the shades, I mean. So I have 50 and 80 right now, which shows these colors, but if I put, say, 1 and 2, you can see how it's completely different. You have much darker colors, and it doesn't really have the full effect. So I'm going to stick to, what was that I had? Maybe 40, I think, and 80, whatever it was, doesn't matter. Basically, whatever colors you want, you can have. So here, you can see my full flower, and the code is done. Very simple, but it doesn't look like it was simple. But it was. So now you know how to make a flower on TurtleArt. Congratulations.